Yes, crazy June last week, 2025 was here and it's still here and it's going more crazy. Today, 30 June 2025, Mars was straight behind Moon. Few hours ago, this morning, June 30, it's going crazy, even more crazy, you know. This is not good. It's looking bad. It's looking very bad. Heavy rains and floods, more heavy rains and floods. These heat waves, China, Europe, South Europe, North Africa, USA, East USA, New York, and down Florida, between Florida and New York. It's looking bad. It's looking even bad. Mars straight behind Moon. Not if we looking here from Finland, but like middle of Earth. You know, this area where you can see that Mars is behind Moon. It's moving. If you look in Moon to Earth, it's like a middle of Earth. So bigger pressure, of course, it is center of Earth and center of Moon and center of Mars. So there is this kind of strong dark energy activation with these massive and density dark energy particles. So there is even more this kind of strong dark energy activation with these dark energy particles. And it was already, I think it was like, what was very early today morning. Some area it was 29th June, like last evening. But you know this time is different areas here. So, like here in Finland, I think it was today morning, 13th June 2025. Yes, and now we see how it works, this strong dark energy activation, how it works for these heat waves, what we have all over the world, north side Earth. It's looking bad, yeah. What about these volcanoes, earthquakes, tornadoes? But heavy rains and floods, like today, and these heat waves, just check out. Because this Jupiter was very straight behind Sun. Not exactly behind Sun, but quite straight, and it was like a June 24th. And 25th, we had like a new moon, Earth, Moon, Sun, and Jupiter alignment, which Jupiter still was quite straight behind Sun. So there was this strong dark energy activation, and I predicted that there's coming these heat waves and some extreme weather phenomena and volcanoes and earthquakes. And now we see how this Mars works with Moon and Earth together. And after a few days, it's only 2 days, 2nd July, there is line. We are between Moon and Saturn and between Moon and Neptune. Same day, about same time. This line, Moon, Earth, it's not going exactly where is Saturn and Neptune, it's going up. But anyway, it works because it's these alignments. Saturn can works with dark energy from Neptune, and Earth works also with this energy from Saturn and Neptune, like usually. But now this energy from Neptune and Saturn it's already activated, which meet energy from Moon, because we are between Moon and Saturn and between Moon and Neptune, and also this energy from Moon. Earth can activate that energy from Moon. Saturn activate that energy from Moon. and this moon energy can activate more this energy from Neptune, you know. When you have a 3 system, straight line, there is strong dark energy activation, but if you have a 4, it's even more strong. So it's looking very crazy July 1st week. It was crazy last week, but for June, but now it's look crazy first week for July. Today, Earth, Moon, Mars, very straight line. 2nd July, Moon, Earth, Saturn, Neptune. Strong dark energy activation, and you can see what's going on. First week, July, it's going to be even more crazy what was this last week. Well, actually, this most biggest strong dark energy activated was 24th and 25th June. But because Earth is already activated strong way, this today alignment with Moon, Earth, Moon and Mars, it works more hard what usually. And because it's very straight, there is very strong dark energy activation now. It's looking crazy. Bad. Not good. Be ready. Be careful there where you have these heat waves. It might go in even more high, this warm. Be careful. And Google Savorinen and read how universe really works. Albert Einstein opened physics Pandora box. There is no curving space. There is no expanding space. There is no this kind of space-time which play tricks. Space never was born. I'm telling you, space is eternal and infinite three-dimensional stage which is nothing, and only losers explain phenomena with hocus-pocus space-time which play tricks. Center of nuclei of atoms, there is this kind of congestion areas, traffic areas where expanding energy is more density, and this expanding traffic areas just recycling expanding energy, expanding pushing force, and pushing each other away same way what they expanding. So we can say that nuclei of atoms expanding and recycling expanding dark energy, which have a nature of electrons and photons, which also expanding. Yes, these expanding photons are also this kind of own scale expanding traffic areas, where this expanding energy changing with time. Same expanding photon, but different expanding energy later, because there is these recycling systems in very small scale also. So it is not space which is expanding, I'm telling you. This falling apple, you think it's moving that way where it's Earth center when it's falling down, but it's not that way. Expanding falling apple pushing away from expanding Earth center, but not so fast for expanding Earth surface, which pick up this expanding apple, and you have an illusion that this falling apple moving that way where it's Earth center. Sun movement, it is illusion. Universum, it's illusion masters, you know. So just Google Savorinen. I have a keyword theory of everything. Uusi Suomi blogi or Facebook. You can read more how that universe really works. It is eternal recycling systems and these expanding galaxies which was born very quickly centered to outside are huge particles, information from this kind of system which is so density and massive that it's emit energy which have a nature of expanding galaxies which were born centered to outside, and this system is still there, far outside from expanding visible universe, and there is this kind of systems, infinity numbers, which just recycling that eternal thing which is already pushing force. It is eternal recycling systems. Big Bang, very stupid idea. There is this kind of Big Bang cult, high priest, which tell you that stupid idea that space can play tricks. No way, there is no expanding space, no curving space, no bubbling space, no waving space. Einstein wrong with curving space. Einstein was right with relative time, but it is relative because substance volume is also relative, you know. That's the way it's going.